Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss about Van Hale's geometric thinking levels. As you know, to discuss about geometry, it is best way we follow Van Hale's different level of geometric thinking. First of all, we have to know what is Van Hale's geometric thinking. This theory originated in 1957 by husband and wife team Dina van Geldof and Pierre van Helle from the Utrecht University in Netherlands. It helps to describe how students learn geometry. The Van Helle levels have helped shape curricula throughout the world. So there are 5 different levels in Van Halle's geometric thinking. Out of that, the first level, which is named as level 0, that is visualization. In this level, students can recognize shapes by their whole appearance, but not its exact properties. For example, a student will think of a shape in terms of what it is looks like. A rectangle is a door or a triangle is a clown hat, and the student may not be able to recognize the shape if it's rotate to a different point. That means they just can visualize the shape, not their geometrical properties. Next, we go the second level. This level is termed as level 1, that is analysis or description. In this level, students start to learn and identify parts of figures as well as figures in a class of shapes. They can describe a shape's properties and are able to understand that shapes in a group have the same properties as well. A student in this level will know that parallelogram have opposite sides that are parallel and will be able to group them accordingly. That means in this level they can group objects which are categorized in the set of triangles or non-triangles or uh, parallelograms this way. Then the third level, which is termed as level 2, that is informal deduction or abstraction. In this level, a student will start to recognize the relationship between properties of shapes. They also able to participate and understand informal deduction about shapes and their different characteristics. That means from two group of objects, they can point that which two objects fall in the same category. This way, they can analyze the properties of different geometrical shapes. Then in fourth level, that is level 3, named as level 3, that is formal deduction. At this level, students are able more complex geometrical concepts. They can think about properties are related as well as relationship between axioms, theorems, postulates, and definition. According to John Wendell Walls, students should be able to work with abstract statements about geometric properties and make conclusion more on logic than intuition. And the last level, that is termed as level 4, that is rigor. In this level, Finally, students will reach the last level of learning geometric reasoning. Even in the absence of concrete examples, they should be able to compare geometric results in different axiomatic systems. Basically, they will see geometry in the street in abstract manner. Mostly, this is the level of college mathematics measures and how they think about geometry. So these are the 5 different levels of John Haley's geometric thinking. And while we teach geometry, we should follow these levels. At elementary level, to teach elementary level students, we follow the level 0, 1 and 2. Mainly in these 3 levels the students are there, and in higher level students, to teach geometry in higher level students, we go for level 4 and 5. Okay, thank you. We meet again with a new topic.